Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make caramelized walnuts that go with a salad that you just watched. And it's very easy. We need 1.5 tablespoons of butter, sugar, and walnuts. And we're gonna melt the butter until it's all melted. Then we're going to add the sugar somewhat evenly, and we're not gonna touch it until most of it is melted, and you're gonna see how it's going to change colors. Once it is melted, you add the walnuts and you toss them around a little bit for about a minute or two. See the caramel color, and you put them on a tray lined with parchment paper. And you're gonna toss them around a little bit for a minute or two, because if not, the caramel is going to burn. And once you put it on the tray, you have to separate it with the spatula because it's gonna harden really quick. And then for the salad, you're just gonna break them. They come off the parchment paper really easy, and that's all. Thank you for subscribing. Hello and welcome to my new subscribers. And please share this with your friends on social media, and a thumbs up is always welcome. Thank you.